So how do you look at the photo history on the iPad, right? So before we get started, most definitely make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so it kind of depends on what you mean specifically, because if you want to check out some of your old photos that could have disappeared from your iPad, you need to make sure that the iCloud syncing is enabled. So you can find it in the Settings app. When you tap on your profile, go to iCloud and check out the Photos section. So if you have it synced, it just means that the photos stored on your iCloud, perhaps from the iPhone or even other devices, will then appear on your iPad, right? So you just get like them back, right? So that's how it works. Also, if you want to check like the photos history in terms of like the old photos, you can check out the main Photos app, go to collections and check out the recently deleted. So in case you have removed some of them recently within the 30-day period, you'll be able to find the history of your photos there as well. And one last thing which crosses my mind, which you might be referring to, is like the chronological view of, photos based or sorted by the year, month, and dates, right? So for that, you have to be within the library where you select the old photos and you just zoom out like that. You tap on years or months, right? So you can scroll specifically and find your photos sorted by the days, right? So this might also show you like the history by going, years in the past, right? So if there is something else you had in mind, most definitely let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about that because I try to cover literally every single problem you might have with your devices. So for that reason, also stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.